Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are well. I am Ahsan Sabri and you are watching my YouTube channel. On this channel you will get to learn new graphic designing techniques. If you are a new learner, then this channel will guide you completely. If you have such a sketch, to create it you need to draw lines like this with the help of the freehand tool. But remember, until you know which line to move from where, you may find it difficult. So try to draw the lines in such a way that they are easy to move. With the help of shape tool you can move the lines and get the desired shape. Remember that the neater you make this sketch, the more beautiful and unique the logo will be. If your sketch looks the same on both sides, make it so that half of it is complete. Later, copy the same thing and move it to the other side and your logo will be complete. Remember not to bring the line back to where you started. That way you can fill it with color, otherwise you can't fill it with color if your lines are connected. Also draw the inner parts of the logo in a seamless manner. Try to place your lines where you can move easily. This method is most effective and best for creating such numerous logos in Coreldraw. So continue your practice and fulfill your quest to become a professional graphic designer. Hope this video will give you enough understanding. This is an excellent practice lesson. New and experienced graphic designers continue to experiment to develop and improve your skills.